Hello, we've got here a Razer gaming laptop. This one has an issue. I'm not sure exactly what the issue is yet. I haven't had a chance to look at it, so we'll do a live repair and see what we find. This is not charging. Okay, wait a sec. Alright. This one here is a R09901953E72. So what's wrong with this guy? Just doesn't turn on. That's all we are told. No charging light, power light, nothing comes on. So let's see if that's the case or not. Okay. Sorry, just got an issue with a charging connection here. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is my charger. It's original Razer. This uses a Toshiba Asus Type 5.5 2.5 barrel jack. So let's connect its power. So that's gone. Okay. All right. Let's just open it up and have a quick look on the inside. See what's going on. The user has opened the laptop to disconnect the battery, just to see if battery is an issue. That one won't open. And what's the issue with that guy? That is the screw that doesn't belong there. It's a Torx type. Nope. Yep. This is very strange. Why is there such a screw like that? Okay. Alright, so let's go for some of the obvious things. Now we got here our CMOS battery. What's the voltage of our CMOS battery? Alright, it's up and running. Multimeter, reflection, okay. Hard to get a reading because that's not the battery, that's the speaker. Battery connection is here. Okay. 2.57. We'll just say, yeah, for now. We don't know. 19 volt rail. That looks good. Alright. Now, what is the cable resistance today? Resistance. Gotta get a good reading. I can't do it otherwise. Come on. Multimeter, don't play up on me. No. Can't do this. Let me see if I can get a direct connection. But then it won't be enough. Let me try. Okay, this is the resistance of the cable coming. Okay, there we go. That's that. Now, black on black, red on red. What's the resistance? I'm happy with that. Good, I can work with that now. OL 57, increasing 56, these are 5 and 3 volts, nothing. CPU looks fine. Hope the GPU is fine too. Good. Alright, let's check the GPU. We can probably check it here. Dead. Maybe, maybe not. This is really annoying. So cable resistance is probably 1 milliohm here to here. It's ground to ground. Okay, to the GPU. We have a dead short. Yep. That's it. That's the end of that. A dead short GPU. That's the VRAM probably. Yeah. Probably don't need to go any further. Interesting, I've had the second one in a very short period, so Yeah, we just want to lift up these coils, these screws, and then remove the heatsink. Yep, this is the same thermal pad I've seen on the other one. Here we go. Yeah, that's a dead short, mate. Yeah, not good. See you later, alligator. Anything obvious that hits the eye, like a burn or damage? Pretty much nothing. CPU is fine, it's the GPU. Out of curiosity, what happens when the charger is plugged in? So let's have a look at that quickly. We'll need a 3-pronged cable. We have a green light on our adapter. Voltage in DC mode. Connect our beloved charger. And we should have 19 volts. Yes. Not good. I wonder what the battery voltage shows. Yeah, the battery is refusing to charge. Yeah, this one is game over, unfortunately. And that is most likely fine. 512. Won't spend any more time on this. So yeah, short video, but bang on the head. Out of curiosity as well, let's check the resistor value after the main 19 volts DCs. Yeah, pretty good. No problem. And all those little fuses, see if they're all good. Remove that. Good, 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 good. All the fuses did nothing. Absolutely nothing in terms of protection. Yep, okay. That's gonna be the end of the video. I'll just put the screws back. I did remove a GPU just for testing. I was able to remove without damaging the board. It's something that this one could get, a new GPU, but whatever killed the GPU needs to be resolved. Otherwise, same thing will just happen. And I don't know if the battery is gone as well. It doesn't want to charge up anymore, which will be additional cost. So yeah, beyond economical value to repair. So see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.